Hey, and welcome back to the Cranebeat tutorial, a series of videos where I will show you how you can use Cranebeat. If you are here for this specific topic, you can keep on watching, but if you are looking for other topics, I linked the whole playlist down in the video description. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to re-equip a crane. Let's get started. In the last video, we put in 3 cranes into Cranebeat, into the job site, and you could now realize, well, one of those cranes is maybe not what you expect it to be. So, for example, the crawler crane, you say, well, yes, that's what it's supposed to do, but maybe I can find a better solution for the setup. So let's just go ahead and re-equip it. To re-equip a crane, we have to go to the crane tab at the top and click on re-equip. This only is available when a crane is chosen. For example, if the crane window is not open, you cannot choose the crane tab. This crane tab also always refers to the chosen crane on the left. So I'm going to go ahead and double click on the crawler crane to select it. And then the crane tab will appear. And then I'm going to go and re-equip it. As you can see in this overview, it already selected all the parts that are necessary to be able to choose the current setup. If we don't want to have that, we can either go and say, I click on a single piece of the setup and say empty, and then it will go back to being not filtered, and then you can see it will show up all the stuff that's available, even if it is not all of it. That might happen. You can also go ahead and say reset all of the crane values. In this case, because we searched over the obstacle will remain. And it will also only show possible setups and combinations to reach over the obstacle to the, I think it was 65 meters of radius that we want. So let's go ahead and change that. We went from LSL plus LF2 now to, let's go with a luffing jib, and let's try to take the shortest main boom available and the shortest jib as well. I'm going to go ahead and put all the counterweight we have on there, and as well as the Superlift counterweight. Check it and click on next. Check for the crawler width again. And it will be loaded into the job site. And yeah, we now got a shorter crane, still able to do the same job. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.